Hello, how are you doing? I hope everything's going great with you. Today, in this video, I will show you how to use the Google Classroom and how to submit a submission for the assignments. Actually, you can enter your Google Classroom from this one, and you can find whatever you have from the assignments that any module you have, you can press on the instructions, then it will open to you this page so you can add whatever you want, like a link for the Google Drive or any other links. If you have like a docs or a presentation or like a chart or any other videos, so that you can upload it and then you can say submission for this one. So let's try something like actually something very soft for this part, and then we can actually so what gonna happen. So right now, for exactly, we have something which is let's show you something like that. Okay, and after that we can go for the submission, and then you can say submit with the following. Okay, if you press this one, then you can press submitted, okay, or submit it. So everything would be finished, and we can check for the instructors and all the course um, tutors. They will fix everything to you and give you the feedback for your submissions for the assignments. That's it for today. See you inshallah in the next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.